everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have my unboxing of the February Look Fantastic beauty box. Just to quickly go over what this is, it is a beauty box offered by the website Look Fantastic. It does cost £15 a month, which does include the cost of shipping, and each month you'll receive 6 different items. This does tend to predominantly be a quite skincare heavy subscription box. If you're not into skincare, this might not be for you. Each month they do claim that you will have around about a £50 value contained in each of the boxes. Each month it does come with a little booklet which has more details about each of the products. So once I've gone through everything in the box, I will come back to this booklet. This booklet did used to list all of the values of the items contained in the box, but since the tail end of last year they have now gotten rid of that. I do much prefer knowing upfront the value of the items I'm receiving. I do still go and look into it myself, and I have already done so prior to filming this video. So looking in the booklet, I do know what's contained in this box, and as I say, I have worked out the value of each of the items and will let you know as I go through each one. But why don't we get into the box? So this is the colour of the box for February. It is a really pretty orange box. These are really great sturdy boxes, and I have definitely repurposed ones from the past and will do so for this one as well. I'll start first of all with the item that was the sneak peek from last month, and this is from Illamasqua. This is the Beyond Veil Skin Glowing Gel, and I do believe this is a primer. This comes in this really cute little pot which does contain 6 ml of product, and then it does have a little stopper on here, and then inside it is like a jelly consistency. So I am really intrigued to give this one a go. I do believe they have another product like this which is even more jelly like, but I can't remember the name of that one right now. So I am really intrigued to give this one a go. Illamasqua is actually under the same parent company as Look Fantastic. They are all owned by the Hut Group, and I have noticed in the past few months that quite a few brands under that umbrella have been coming into these beauty boxes. It obviously is cheaper for them to do so. Value wise of this one, the full size is £34 for 30 ml, so I work out that this is worth £6.80. I did actually go and look back on my little booklet from last month where they did sneak peek this, as I was intrigued as to what they said the value was, and they did actually say that this was worth £10, but based on the cost per milliliter I do work out as only being £6.80. The next item is this little one here from Ico. Again, another brand I do believe is under the Hut Group. This is the Galactic Lid Gloss Cream Eyeshadow, and I have this one in the shade Zodiac, which appears to be a copper shade. I'm not really into these kind of product cream shadows. I was going to give this one a go because it does look like a really nice shade. It's a nice neutral copper, but I think this is probably go to a better home, so I'm going to stick this to one side to go into a future giveaway. Value wise for this one, the full size is 8 grams and worth £15, and this is 4 grams, so I'll work out that this is worth £7.50. Then we have this product from Balance Me. This is the AHA Glow Mask. Balance Me is a brand that I have tried quite a few things from, and I do really enjoy them, so I'm intrigued to give this one a go. It is a mask that you just leave on for 15 minutes. I am quite lazy and do tend to prefer sheet masks, so this isn't my preference, but I will give it a go. So the full size of this is £20 for 50 ml, so I work out that this 10 ml is worth £4. So far we are halfway through the 6 items and there's not been a vast amount of value yet. Next we have this product from Magnatone London. This is the Wipeout Swipes. These are eco-friendly microfiber makeup remover pads. This is just a pack of 2. So that is how these come. These are super soft pads, and these are definitely the type of products that I reach for at the moment. I do currently love the ones from Essence which I'm using, which are slightly bigger, so these will be quite nice when I do want to reach for something a bit smaller, say if I'm just removing eye makeup or something. So they are really super soft, and I like the little sort of chevron pattern on them as well. It is one of those products that work like the microfiber cloths where it does just say you can remove makeup with just water. I do use them with micellar water as well, and that works fine. So value wise for this, a 6-pack of these is £15, so I work out that these 2 would cost you £5. Next we have this product from Bubble Tea. This is the Strawberry Macaron Hand and Body Butter. This says soothe and nourish with the uplifting hand and body butter, and this one actually appears to be full size. I could only find it on the Bubble Tea website, but it was 50 ml on there, and that one did retail for £3.99. I don't tend to reach for body butters overly, but I am quite intrigued by this one because strawberry macaron does sound really nice, so I'm actually going to give this one a little try. Oh, and it does smell amazing. It smells like a combination of the, is it Bubblicious, the bubblegum tape thing that was in the red pot, or those, I used to have one, I think they were called cupcake dolls, where it was a doll and it sat in a cupcake and then you unravelled the cupcake and it was the doll's skirt, but they kind of smelled slightly like plastic, if I'm honest, but also like a fruity smell. It does smell like a mix between the two. So I'm really excited to give this one a go and see what it's like, because it does smell amazing. The final product, there was a choice of two. The product I got is from Elemis. This is the papaya enzyme peel. This says it is an exfoliator, so it's kind of like this one from Balance Me in that you just apply it for 10 minutes and then rinse off with warm water. So even though it's an enzyme peel, it is more of a mask, so these are quite similar products. So value wise for this one, the full size is £35 for 50ml. This is 15ml, so I work out that this is £10.50. So tossing up the value of all the items I received, I get a grand total of £37.79. I will just put up a little screenshot from the website about this box. It does actually say that it does have a value of over £51. For me, I haven't even hit £40 of value, and based on the value of the item that was the one you could have got instead of this one, it still doesn't make it £51. I think the other item is only £1.50 more expensive than this one, so I don't get the £51 worth of value. I was going to be pedantic enough to email them and ask them to justify the value, but I kind of didn't want to be a Karen about it, so I'm just going to moan to you instead. But let me just go through the book and give you a bit more information on each of the items. So for the Ico lid gloss, it just says swipe colour across the lid using the applicator, build up where necessary and blend up either using a finger or an eyeshadow brush. And it just says it's mess free with a glitter finish. So with it saying glitter finish, it doesn't sound like it's a product for me anyway. So yeah, I'll definitely be sticking that in a future giveaway, which will, fingers crossed, be my 1,000 subscriber giveaway sometime soon. Next we have the product from Illamasqua. This says combining two of Illamasqua's hero products, the Hydra Veil, which I think is the one that I was trying to think of that's very jelly-like, and the Beyond Powder. This face primer is hydrating and illuminating all in one. Apply under makeup to help it last all day while providing a luminous natural glow. Blend one small scoop all over the face until fully absorbed. So I think the full size does come with a scoop, so I'm just going to obviously have to dig it out with my hands. Then we have the product from Balance Me. This is a chemical facial exfoliant to brighten, purify and plump your complexion. AHAs encourage the shedding of any dull or dry skin to reveal a natural, youthful and luminous glow beneath. So it's got lactic acid, malic acid, glycolic acid, tartaric acid, kaolin, clay and linden, whatever all those are. And it says massage into cleansed skin and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, then remove using a warm damp cloth. Then we have the Wipeout Swipes, and these are, as it said, 2 microfiber cleansing pads to remove even the toughest of makeup with just warm water. Throw in the washing machine and reuse thousands of times. I am really excited to give them a go. Then we have the Bubble Tea product. This says it is a thick hydrating moisturiser for your body with a delectable, I think that's how you say it, strawberry scent. Treat, soothe and refresh dry skin, cruelty free. Massage into slightly damp skin after your bath and shower until fully absorbed. So this is one I'm going to have to keep in the bathroom, but yeah, I'm quite excited to give that one a go. And it is a product with it only being £3.99. If I do fall in love with it, it's not expensive to repurchase. And then finally, we do have the 2 options. So the one I received is the Elemis product, which says it's a natural exfoliating facial cream with 7 active ingredients to repair, protect and clarify your skin. Ideal for all complexions, this exfoliator gets rid of dead skin cells without harsh abrasion. And it's got papaya, pineapple, algae, seaweed extract, milk protein, sunflower oil and vitamin E. And again, applied to cleanse skin and remove after 15 minutes with warm water. So it is very similar to the Balance Me product. It is a good product to receive, but I don't think they should have put 2 very similar products in one box. The product I could have received, and is a product I wish I had received, is from the brand Madara, and this is the SOS Hydra Recharge Cream. So this one says a replenishing, moisture-locking face cream packed with age-defying antioxidants to treat dehydrated, stressed skin. Provides a protective layer between the environment and your complexion whilst promoting intense hydration. Whilst promoting intense hydration and reducing the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Massage a coin-sized amount into cleansed skin. I never get that saying, because what size coin? A coin-sized amount, it could be a 5p coin or it could be a 2p coin. Why not just say pea-sized amount, because that's usually a generic term. Again, I'm just nitpicking at this point. So that is a product that I definitely would have loved to receive. I have tried a few things from Madara, and everything I've tried from the SOS line I have really enjoyed, and it does sound like my kind of product, hydrating but with the antioxidants and anti-aging as well. So I am a bit gutted that I didn't receive that product and I got the Elemis one instead. I think getting the SOS one would have made me a bit happier with the box, because I already had the sort of exfoliant and then also I had a moisturiser, whereas now I've got 2 exfoliants and I don't tend to go in with that product an awful lot anyway. So that's 2 out of the 6 that I'm not overly enthused about. Just to go over the value of the Madara product, it is £36 for 60ml, so the 20ml that you get is worth £12, so it isn't too much difference between them. The past few months there has been a bigger gap between the choices. There's been sort of £5 or £6, whereas this time it's only £1.50, so that's a bit more reasonable. I just don't think they should have put Elemis product in as well as the Balance Me one. And then while I remember, let's have a look at the sneak peek for next month. It is a hair mask. Yay, because we haven't received enough of them in subscription boxes. So this is from the brand Christophe Robin and is the regenerating mask with rare prickly pear seed oil, and this one is apparently worth £9.77. Not too sure about that. So I am getting the March box because I did sign up to a 3-month rolling contract. I was really enjoying this subscription at the tail end of last year, so decided I would save myself a little bit of money and get the 3-month, which I think it only saved me like 50p a month. But now obviously I am tied in. I have actually, after seeing what was contained in this box, already logged onto the website and cancelled it so it won't auto renew. What I will probably do is I will see what is coming out as the sneak peek for the April box and possibly see if I can see any early unboxings and then decide whether to get it or not. Because of only saving that 50p a month, I don't think I'd get the 3-month rolling contract again. I'd just get it month by month if I wanted to get it. But like I said, I am quite disappointed with this box for a number of reasons. I don't see where they got the £51 value. I don't think my maths is incorrect, but I have based all the value of the items, either if it was a full size, what it is on the actual bubble tea website, or I've based it on working out price per milliliter and done it that way. I also don't like that they have given us 2 products that are effectively the same kind of thing. Yes, okay, one was a choice and I could have got a different product, but still I don't think they should have put those type of products in. They've done that in the past where they have put like 2 hair masks in or something. This is a nice product and definitely something different. It's just not my personal preference. I will definitely make use of these, and I think this is a really good addition to the box. And I am really intrigued by this product and think it is slightly different, so that's good. But yeah, for me, it's definitely not the worst ever subscription box I've received, because I am probably going to use most of the products in here, but it's just definitely not a favourite. And I am also slightly miffed that it's false advertising and that I don't think the value is what they said. I know I am still getting more than the £14.50 that I paid, but that's not the point because they're saying it should be worth over £51. So that is it for my unboxing of the February Look Fantastic box, and that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.